Hi everyone, I'm Rehab, co-founder and CEO of Asendia AI, and in this quick demo, I'm going to be showing you how you can integrate our real-time AI interviews with your usual recruitment flow at Tracker. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to our Asendia AI dashboard, go to integrations, and here you're going to be able to see Tracker. All you have to do really is to input your API key information that you will get from the Tracker team, and once that's in, basically both platforms will be connected. So there's going to be a connection between Asendia AI and Tracker to be able to integrate the AI interview feature within your usual flow on Tracker. As a next step, we're going to go ahead and get back to our environment at Tracker. So I'm going to go to Tools and Settings, and then Customization and Display Settings. And this is to be able to configure our AI interview stage so that we can send out the AI interview to candidates. So here you can see I already added it, but you're not going to be able to see that. So you're going to have to click on activity type, name it Asendia AI interview, and choose an image if you want to. And then the format is actually an appointment/meeting. And then of course you can choose your color and hit OK. And it's going to appear to you this way, like I have it here on my screen. Next, we're going to go to custom fields and we're going to scroll down. We have our record type, its activity, and the custom field block. We can choose which block we want to have these in, and then we need to add the score and the audio. And what this means is we're going to add these custom fields so that whenever every candidate takes the AI interview, you're going to be able to see the AI interview score, and you're going to be able to get the hyperlink of the audio file of that AI interview to be able to listen to it. So in your case, you're not going to find this on your screen because you haven't already created the fields yet. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. I'm going to click on custom field. I'm going to name it score. It's a text format, and then I'm going to hit OK. This line here is going to appear, and then I'm going to create one for the audio. So I'm going to name it audio, and of course the field type is a hyperlink because it's going to be the link where you click to be able to listen to the audio file. Once I hit OK, you're going to see it here. And the last step is to go to the layout designer. It's going to look like this. So of course the layout name is Asendia Layout. You can move this to activity, and here you can move basically your blocks as you need. Now for the job where you want to send out these AI interviews to your candidates, we basically go to jobs and we go to the job that we want to interview the candidates for, go to shortlist and activities. And here you can see we have just one candidate for the job. So I'm going to click here and log in activity, and I'm going to click on Asendia AI interview. And of course you can do that for a larger number of candidates all at once. Once I've done that, you can see it here appearing under activities, and the candidate is going to automatically receive an email with the link to conduct the AI interview to be able to apply for the job. So now that I've moved the candidate to the AI interview stage, the candidate will have received an email like this with an invitation to take the AI interview. So assuming I'm the candidate, I just received this email, I'm going to have to click on Start the Assessment. And here I can access it. Of course, I'm going to have to sign up because every candidate should be able to take the interview only once. After sign up, I'm also going to be able to check out the job details, and I'm going to have to upload my resume to be able to start with the AI interview. Of course, the resume is going to be fetched directly from Tracker because the candidate already has an account on Tracker already. So I'm going to go ahead and do the device check, and we can start with the interview right away.
Hi there, I'm Sarah, and I'm excited to speak with you today about the cloud engineer position with a focus on machine learning at Asendia AI. We're a cutting-edge technology company dedicated to leveraging cloud technologies and AI to solve complex business challenges. In this interview, I'll ask you a series of questions about your experience, technical skills, and how they align with the job requirements.
So now for every candidate who has taken the AI interview, like I just did, you can see it on the candidate profile. So you just go to activities and marketing, and here under activities, you'll see it. So if I click on the Asendia AI interview here, I'm going to be able to see the candidate's score. I'm going to be able to see a lot of other metrics like the overall score again here, the profile summary, which gives you like a summary of the candidate's performance during the AI interview combined with the experiences from the resume. You can see the technical skills extracted based on the candidate's answer within the interview, the behavioral skills, how compatible they are to this particular job, and then again, a very interesting bit, which is the psychometric analysis. You can see a score for their confidence, of how fast they respond to every question. You can also download the audio file of the interview. So if I click here, it's going to get downloaded and you will be able to listen to that as well. And if you want to see a more detailed report, that's going to be under the job page. You go to documents and notes, and here for every candidate, you're going to see a PDF with the full assessment report, and it's going to look like this. So it's very detailed. It's going to have a bunch of the other metrics that you were able to see, with a couple more metrics as well, like the cultural fit assessment, soft skill assessment, the behavioral one, and as well as the interview transcript, which is very important. And Sarah, the AI interviewer, is going to give you a feedback on every candidate's answer. So you're going to be able to really assess the full AI interview experience and to assess this candidate's skill against this particular job. I hope you enjoyed this demo. If you have any further questions, we do still have some further customizations that you can do to the interview. So we're happy to answer any questions you have. With the Tracker integration, you can actually generate these dynamic AI interviews and you can have them sent in an automated way to all the candidates. So all you have to do is really select all the candidates you want to interview and move them to the Asendia AI interview stage. Like you guys have seen, they will all receive the email with the link to the interview, and then you will be able to check out all of their assessment reports. Of course, this is a dynamic interview. We also have a couple other formats. We have the predefined AI interview, where you can choose the set of the interview questions that you want to ask. This way, the AI interview experience is going to be exactly the same for all of your candidates. And we also have a hybrid interview format, where you can choose to put in some questions that definitely should be asked, and you give also the opportunity to the AI to generate questions spontaneously during the interview, but of course based on the resume of the candidate and on the job. If you're interested to learning more, please feel free to reach out either to us or to the Tracker team, and looking forward to having you test out the platform.